The civil authorities have issued a child abduction emergency for Los Angeles, PA, and San Bernardino, PA, beginning at 7:41 p.m. and ending at 9:41 p.m. An amber alert is being issued by the California Highway Patrol on behalf of the CHINO Police Department. On February 9, 2026, at 4:00 p.m., JAYCEON Browner was abducted from CHINO Hills, California. JAYCEON Browner is a 10-year-old black male with brown hair and brown eyes. Second victim, KARTIER Browner, is a 9-year-old black female with brown hair and brown eyes. Third victim, Marty Brown, is a 5-year-old black female with brown hair and brown eyes. The suspect, Joseph Brown, is a 31-year-old black male, standing 5 feet 8 inches tall, weighing 200 pounds with black hair and brown eyes. The suspect was last seen driving a 2025 KAE with California license plate number 9BWC939. The PIN code 911.
If you